Pizza Hut and Domino's have been leading the American pizza scene for quite some time, with Little Caesars and Papa John's often trailing behind. However, the competition has become fiercer, introducing a variety of new and delicious pizza options. The choice is no longer limited to just grocery store pizza or Pizza Hut. As a result, the pizza landscape has expanded significantly. Many people are now suggesting that Pizza Hut has fallen behind some of its competitors in the pizza industry. Is there truth to this? Ultimately, it depends on your personal experience. So let's dive into some cheesy goodness, beginning with one of my personal favorites. Vocelli Pizza can be found primarily along the East Coast, stretching from Pennsylvania and Ohio in the north down to Alabama and Georgia, with locations in a total of 7 states. Their pizza is exceptional, and they have recently introduced a stuffed crust option, which is definitely worth trying. Additionally, the Vocelli pizza rolls are fantastic. While they might be slightly more expensive than your local Pizza Hut, the quality is outstanding. I highly recommend trying the barbecue chicken pizza to experience it for yourself. You can find these pizzas in 35 states, so they're available almost anywhere you might need them. When it comes to the pizza itself, it's all about the stuffed crust. The Papa's all-meat stuffed crust pizza is truly exceptional. While you have to bake it yourself, which means you can't eat it right away, it also means you can enjoy it at the perfect temperature every time. Domino's boasts over 14,000 locations across the globe with outlets in every state and numerous international countries. So if you're in the mood for Domino's, chances are you'll be able to find it nearby. About the pizza itself, you might recall those commercials from around 15 years ago where Domino's talked about improving their crust and enhancing their cheese quality. They followed through on those promises, and today, Domino's is a popular choice for many busy parents. You can find CiCi's in over 200 locations across 22 states. If you're in the South, there's likely a CiCi's nearby. While CiCi's may not boast the best pizza on earth, they certainly make up for it with generous portions and great value. CiCi's offers all-you-can-eat pizza buffets featuring some unique and interesting options, like mac and cheese pizza or pizza with Alfredo sauce. And don't forget their cinnamon dessert pizza, which is a beloved favorite among many. Mellow Mushroom can be found across 16 states, including Georgia, where their hometown is Atlanta, as well as Texas, Nebraska, Florida, Indiana, Ohio, and many other locations in between. Now let's talk about the pizza. The crust at Mellow Mushroom is truly exceptional. Adding garlic butter and Parmesan cheese to bread is always a winning combination. Their pizzas feature unique and creative flavor combinations that are both robust and delicious, making them perfect for those who love to try new and exciting flavors. Costco has locations in most states across the U.S. and in numerous international markets, with over 100 stores in Canada alone. When it comes to their pizza, it's known for being large, delicious, satisfying, and affordable. Although delivery isn't an option yet, it's definitely worth a visit to the food court for a fresh, hot pie. Plus, while you're there, you can also stock up on budget-friendly items like toilet paper, seltzer water, and almost anything else you might need. Mod Pizza can be found in 28 states across the U.S., with a strong presence on the West Coast. They offer great pizza that can be customized extensively to suit your preferences. If you're looking for recommendations, consider trying the Jasper or the Caspian, which is essentially a deliciously enhanced barbecue pizza. Little Caesars boasts more than 4,000 locations across all 50 states, ensuring you'll likely find one wherever you need it. Known for their delicious offerings, Little Caesars serves up my favorite thin crust pizza, particularly their pepperoni. They've also impressed with innovative creations like their Slices and Sticks pizzas, which combine pizza with cheesy breadsticks. If you're in the mood for a bite-sized pizza experience, their Crazy Puffs, complete with dipping sauce, are definitely worth trying. Marco's Pizza can be found in 34 states, with a strong presence throughout the South and Midwest. When it comes to their offerings, the Pepperoni Magnifico is a must-try. If you're watching your carb intake, consider the pizza bowls. They offer all the delicious toppings without the crust, reminiscent of a delightful lasagna experience. You can find Tombstone pizzas in nearly every regular grocery store, making them easy to locate. Now, let's talk about the pizza itself. Tombstone is, without a doubt, one of the best frozen pizzas available. In fact, it's even better than many fresh pizzas out there. Each slice offers a perfect balance of flavors. Since you're baking it at home, you have the opportunity to achieve that ideal texture. With a little attention to your oven, you can ensure the crust is crispy yet not burnt, the cheese is perfectly melted, and the pepperoni is just right. Delicious. We couldn't wrap things up without giving a nod to Pizza Hut. For many of us, it's the original chain pizza. Now, turning our attention to Old Chicago, you'll find them in 22 states, primarily located in the Midwest, Southwest, and West. When it comes to their pizza, they offer a fantastic Chicago-style deep dish. My top pick is the Meat Me, featuring andouille sausage and all your favorite pizza meats. For something truly unique, consider trying their Thai pie. It includes sweet Thai chili sauce, mozzarella, cheddar, and pepper jack cheeses, chicken, red peppers, mushrooms, green onions, broccoli, sesame seeds, and teriyaki sauce. Before wrapping up, let's show some appreciation for Pizza Hut, a brand many consider the quintessential chain pizza. You can find Pizza Hut locations across all 50 states and in numerous countries worldwide. Their pizzas are consistently well executed and delicious. If you're in the mood for a thin crust, the Chicago Tavern style is definitely worth a try. There you have it, 11 chains whose fans might argue they have surpassed Pizza Hut. And to be fair, they present a compelling case. However, the real question is, which one stands out to you? Are they correct? Which ones have you experienced? Be sure to, if you enjoyed this, subscribe to The Coconut Mama on YouTube at youtube.com/thecoconutmama for more.